So now we will see the further poem. There's a time for everything you do, for children and for grown-ups too. A time to stand up and a time to sit, but see that the time and action fit. Now we will see the poem in detail. Now we will see that there is time for everything, means for all and each and every work there is a fixed time that you have to do your work. So when you are saying thank you to somebody for anything you do, you should say thank you. And when you are in watching TV, that time you should have a particular time. At that time only you should watch TV. When you are enjoying with your friends, you should have particular time. At that time you have to make fun and enjoy with your friends. For children and for grown-ups too, means when your children, when the small children, what they like to play with the children who are their friends, or they like to sit with the children who are their friends, and they play and also learn with their friends. But when they grow up, they like to stay with the friends, those who are growing with them. So there's a time for children and for grown-ups too, means there is a fixed time for grown-ups too. Now we will see that the time to stand up and time to sit, means there is a fixed time when you should stand up and the time is there when you have to sit. Sometimes you are traveling by bus or train and you see an elderly person standing. So what's your duty is? You should give seat to that elderly person, means there is a time when you should stand, and when the person is standing you should give your seat to that person. Sometimes there is a elderly person in our house, such as our granny. So she needs someone to give her time to her, to listen to her and to talk to her. So you should give some time with her and spend some time with her to make her happy and joyful. Now we will see the last line. But see that the time and action fit. That means there are fixed time for everything. Means whatever work we should do on time and at fixed time. When you are in the class, you should pay attention to the teacher, what she is teaching. And when you are on the playground, that time only you should play. So we should know importance of time. Time never waits for anyone. That means you should have fun and enjoyment at the particular time and whenever you are free. But you should play with your friends at the particular time, and also you should study at the particular times, means you should pay proper attention in the class at the time when the teacher is teaching you in the class. So what we learned today? We learned today that we should make good use of time. Why? Because life teaches us to make good use of time.